Right, so the video I'm going to do for you today is on areas of figures. So here I've drawn out shapes beforehand, and I'm just going to draw a new shape within these, but it's going to have the same area as the shape you can see here now. So the first one I'm going to do is this polygon here, and I'm going to put a triangle within this shape. So first of all, you get the bottom corner and join it to the top. You do the same with the other corner and join that to the top. Then, using sliding set squares, you create a parallel line and draw this line out to the very corner point. And you do the same with the other line. Then you extend your baseline, and from these 2 points that we now have, we join these to the top of the polygon, and this will give us a triangle with the same area as our first polygon. So here we can see the triangle there now. So next I'm going to put a rectangle in this triangle in this corner here. So first of all, we drop a perpendicular line down from the top. We then bisect this line using our compass. So just put the compass on one point, stretch it out over halfway, scribe an arc. You do the same from the other point and just scribe an arc. Then you draw a line through these 2 points and just draw it a bit longer than normal. Then all you do is draw two straight lines up from the bottom corner of the triangle. And there we can see the rectangle, which now has the same area as the first shape I had drawn. So now the final one I'm going to do is I'm going to put a square of equal area to this rectangle. So to do this, it's the same as the mean proportion. So first of all, we know that we have to drop down the side length of the rectangle. So we just get our compass and we just drop that down. We then extend our baseline like so, and then we bisect this line. So just stretch it out over halfway, scribe an arc, and the same from the other point. We then draw a line straight through these 2 points. And now that bisector line will give us the center point for our semicircle, which we'll now scribe. And that will give us our mean proportion, which will also be one side length of the square. So now all we do is we extend the side length that we originally dropped down to hit the semicircle, and that's one edge length of the square. So now I'll just finish drawing the square. So we'll now draw a line across. So there we have 3 shapes now, and they are converted into, they each have the same area as the original shape.